TC Dex
something
says,
like
I
that.
learned about the scallop board rule at AZEC U. I guess I don't know if that applies to the other brands.
Yeah. Yeah, there you go. So when you do a TimberTech deck, you just go ahead and put AZEC on the steps.
Okay. So hold on here. Maybe we have an eighth thing. If this is true, that you aren't supposed to use scallop boards
Shane's
on your
stairs.
on your stairs,
Shane's
then
on the
number
internet.
8 on this list is
Use-
use the scallop boards on the stairs. Don't let them talk you into buying a way more expensive board so you can have stairs on your deck. Are you crazy?
Right.
Yeah.
If that's true,
Now the price of your stairs really did just go through the
make the
goddamn
damn
roof.
board better so it can be on a stair.
Exactly.
Come on.
I think
That better not be true.
if you're going to use a
I don't remember
scallop
that from AZEC
board
U.
on the stairs, then what you should do is put your stringers 4 inches on center, sheet it with plywood, tape it. Then you can put the, it's like, get out of here.
Are they what are they suggesting? I'm gonna have to look that up.
It feels like if they're going to do that, why wouldn't they have a stair board all of a sudden?
Yeah. Well, yeah, exactly. Maybe
know
the
what I mean?
solid edge profile isn't scalloped then. Like, do that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or what do they suggest for the stairs then? Running a 2x4 runner underneath it or something, or a
I don't
2x6 runner?
Man,
Or
this
something?
isn't my information. This is like TC Dex says this stuff.
Well, I feel like I want to find out. I want to confirm this while we're on the podcast here somehow. But okay. Well, do you want to go through the results I found before we
Yes.
continue on with the camo conversation?
Let's do the results and then
It's not much of a conversation.
Okay, so what
Anyways.
I found out about these scallop boards,
Yes.
and this install instruction doesn't mention edge, but it mentions terrain. And it's the same profile, so that would apply. One, you can't cantilever a scallop board. You can cantilever the other full profile boards from TimberTech up to 1 inch past the framing, and they say you're not allowed to do that with scallop boards. Huh.
okay.
Neat.
Good to know.
He's not incorrect. It says that for stair, it doesn't say you can't use them on the stairs, but the install instructions on the stairs that you basically have to, I mentioned like a runner underneath, you basically have to have that. You have to have a supporting board beneath the scallop board on stair profiles. So it even says in with a yellow, this whole document is black and white. Let me help you understand.
Except for this line.
The warning, I'm not even kidding. The warning,
It's
this
a warning.
entire document is black and white, other than the brown of the TimberTech logo, except this part around the stairs in black with a yellow caution sign
Big
that
bold.
says terrain collection must be used as a veneer in a stair tread application. Please see figure to the right. Figure to the right shows that they actually use brackets, nails, and a 2x6 support between the stringers underneath the board. So they don't allow you to span it.
No, I said it in bold.
Yeah, they absolutely said it in bold. I'm blown away. I am
I can't-
Number 8.
Oh man.
number 8.
Why?
Why? Use them on the stairs. And then it says that the span,
You know what?
the maximum
that does?
spacing between stringers for terrain board is 16 inches when used as a veneer.
Right.
What is it? Anyway, that's crazy.
Do you think that you should veneer the rest of your deck if you're using terrain decking?
No, it's like it's the one time where somebody's like, "Can I just leave all my old deck in there and just put the composite over top?" You'd be like, "You
Yes.
bet you can."
Are you using
With
TimberTech
Edge
terrain?
or terrain. In fact, you should.
This is the board for you.
So I'm surprised by that. I don't remember ever reading that, but there you go.
So
Levi's done his homework.
So what's veneer? Just for all
Skinned
of us
over
who
top.
don't know.
Veneer just essentially means it's not structural. It's just a skin.
It's just a
Skin
skin.
over top.
It's for
Okay.
looks only kind of thing. You have
Right.
to support it beneath. Crazy. So there you go.
So all of the price savings in a scallop board just went out the window.
Right? Yeah, you got to buy a bunch of extra 2x6 for your stairs.